Masdan mo ang lingas ng pag-asa at ang awit na may pakinggan.
As king, you lived in poverty, served your people in charity. You sought the good of everyone with justice, love, and peace. Ang kanyang pagkahari ay hindi mapagmataas. Ang kanyang panunungkulan ay pagbaba mula sa kanyang upuan upang makiisa at damayan ang mga taong kanyang pinagsisilbihan. Ang tunay na hari ay hindi lamang nakaupo sa isang tabi. Bagkus, ang tunay na hari tumatayo mula sa kanyang marangyang upuan, pumupunta sa mga taong kanyang nasasakupan, nakikipamuhay at binibigyan sila ng isang panibagong buhay.
Awit na may pakinggan, na tunay nating makakamtan, ang buhay na walang hanggan. Aming Diyos na mapagkuhan.
In spite of the tragic incident, the burning of the church, parish church, they have been working hindi lang 24/7. Kung merong 25, sila po ay they're spending much of the time and also doing everything they could in order to rebuild the church. And I wish to thank on their behalf to all of you for the generous help you've been extending to our priests.
Ang awit na may pakinggan, na tunay nating makakamtan, ang buhay.
Everything is a gift from Him. Let us then strive hard to be good stewards by using wisely our time, efforts, and talents in serving God.
I pledge to work tirelessly, yes, tirelessly, to ensure our church remains a beacon of hope, love, and faith. I will strive to create an inclusive and welcoming environment where everyone feels valued and empowered.
Pag-asa at ang awit na may pakinggan, na tunay natin.
Kaya pinagpapala ang lahat ng anak ni San Fernando. And every Ilagueño is a child of San Fernando. Bagong pari, matandang pari, lahat tayo. And we are blessed because He continues to pray for all of us. Ang inyong pagparito, ang inyong pagsisimba, ang inyong pakikilahok sa lahat ng proyekto ng ating simbahan ay tanda na kayo'y tinatawag ni San Fernando